It's 5:14. Our athlete of the week has definitely got game and a big personality to match, too. Her teammates wouldn't have it any other way. This morning, Daniel Gotera takes us to Cy Creek High School.
When a team wins 32 of 36 games, every member is important. And at Cy Creek, Tanae Sims is the glue that holds it all together.
I'm loud, I'm funny, and I can make them laugh, and I'm always getting the team right.
But ask her what it was like when she first started playing.
8th grade, it was like,
As you can imagine, it didn't take her long to figure it out. She made the varsity team her freshman year.
In 9th grade, I remember when I got that first minute of playing or something. When I was on the bench, as soon as she called my name, Tanae, get in there,
After spending a year away, she returned her junior season. And Tanae has never looked back.
I know Coach missed me and all the players are like, oh my gosh, I can't wait till you come back and stuff.
Tanae is a dream to coach. As you saw when we came over here and had her interview, how the drill kind of died down a little bit because she gets everything going.
As for off the court, well, you can probably guess what she's all about too.
Tanae's a people person. I like making people happy. I feel like that's my goal in life.
Although she says she's a little loud, I think her teammates will excuse her for that because she's got all the intangibles that makes this team go. Congratulations, Tanae, for being our athlete of the week. Thanks to the folks at Texas Mattress Makers.
All right.
That's great. If you have an athlete you'd like to nominate for Athlete of the Week, all you have to do is send us an email. You can do that. Send it to sports@khou.com.